We're looking down at the blue planet, our home. The reason we survive, or the reason we've evolved here, is because we have water. But coming back to Earth, this is the tragic reality of we discharge 80% of our wastewater into a receiving environment, usually the ocean, or sometimes into rivers and lakes. And this is a problem, obviously, for several reasons. But what's the failure condition? The failure condition is that we have insufficient energy. If we had to treat all of this wastewater, we would require a lot more energy. And while the world as a whole is energy constrained, how do we do that? But fascinatingly, our wastewater contains several multiples the amount of energy that we would need if we had to treat this waste. The challenge, of course, is how do you access the energy contained in the wastewater? And the answer lies in biomimicry. Nature holds all the solutions we need as a species to survive and thrive on our planet. So what does Alimentary Systems do? We build biodigesters that are inspired by the digestive system, the digestive mechanism contained in a cow. So in effect, we build mechanical cows. The other challenge with wastewater management is the focus has traditionally been on dealing with the nitrogen that wastewater contains. Instead of trying to remove the nitrogen, what if we add carbon? And it works a treat. We're able to harness energy, we're able to treat the wastewater. But that begets the question, where does the carbon come from? It's everywhere. It's in all our organic waste. It's in your food waste. It's in your garden waste. It's in your green waste. It's in your hops, in your molasses, in your crop residue, in your grape mark, in your fruit pomace. All of this contains carbon. The regenerative economic ambition is to utilize biomimicry, consolidate all our wastes in one place. This reduces the cost by avoiding the duplication of infrastructure. It allows us to recover the energy. It allows us to treat wastewater such that it is benign when it enters a receiving environment. In Te Ao Maori, there's a phrase for it. It's called Wai Maori, which means normal water. So don't discharge wastewater unless it is safe to drink. A very, very simple principle. And guess what happens? We have energy left over. Is what if we could, at a snap of our fingers, deploy these systems globally? What would we achieve? We would wipe out a quarter of the world's emissions. Not only that, we would generate 6 terawatts of clean electricity. For context, that's nearly 10% of the current installed generation capacity around the world. It's ambitious, but ambition is the cornerstone of human endeavor.